y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have a product from APETDOLA. This is a pet water fountain, and this is how it comes in a box. This was in an outer bag because this is shipped from Amazon, and I'll have the link below. And actually, this is very reasonable compared to other fountains that I have had, and it also has a 20% off right now. So I'll put the link below. And this company, APETDOLA, they make different size fountains and things like that. And this, it can be good for a cat, for a dog, for multiple cats and dogs. And I'm going to open it as we're talking. I'll tell you first, let's see, it is automatic, and it has a stainless steel tray. It holds 67 ounces. It's ultra quiet. And it's for cats, like I said, inside cats. You can put this out on your porch for outside animals, and it's for dogs too. Small dogs, they, there's different sizings for different dogs. And this is a very nicely packaged box, and they show you how to put it together very easily. They send you a card to join up with APETDOLA, and then they have an instruction manual in many different languages. And there is some nice cardboard, and then the whole item itself is in a plastic bag. And that is the box, very nicely packaged. And I'm going to show you how to put it together. These things are very easy to put together usually. This one states that they're very easy to put together. And I'll tell you, I know I've told y'all before in the past that I have had trouble with Smudge. Ended up with not quite having crystals in his urine. Cats can get crystals in their urine, and they can have trouble with their urinary tracts. And he was near getting crystals, and I just could tell he was under the weather. So I took him, if you feel around their ears and they're warm, or if they're just, not doing what they're supposed to be doing, they just act different, then you might need to take him to the vet. So he's on special food, as is Blue, because they eat the same food. It's just easier that way. And because if you have to have it, it's very difficult if they end up sick. They have to drink water. You and I can tell ourselves drink, 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 but cats don't listen to that, and neither do dogs. So to have something like this, it really fascinates them, and they enjoy it. So this is the nice base of it, and then here is the cord that's going to be where we're going to connect it. This lifts out here, and then there is these two pieces pop off here, and there's some more pieces inside to put together. And it tells you how to clean your pump. Every now and again, you should clean the pump, because even if you keep it clean, some fur and things can get into the pump from the cats. So here's the pump, and then there's usually this nice sponge, and this will hold junk. So you just take that out, clean it off real good, put it back in, and then put it back together. And this is nice, because here's your bowl that's going to hold your water. And then this piece sets on here very nicely, okay? And let's see what we have. There's a filter. You can buy more filters. You can clean the filter a few times, and you can buy more filters on Amazon. It's nicely wrapped. I think Smudge was going to come up. I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to show y'all how much they like it, because they do. I have two fountains right now, and they're very, very helpful. Usually the filter, it's like any kind of water filter. It has like the charcoal-y stuff. So I probably need to read the directions, but I would assume that's going to go in there because it fits in there nicely. And then this is very nice to have, the stainless steel, because it's not going to get a buildup if you have hard water. Sometimes the plastic, you might see a little buildup, but it'll clean easy. The stainless steel will. Sometimes you'll see the plastic ones, they don't clean very easily, or after a while they just get scuffed up because you've had to scrub them. So I will, well, let me open these things and I'll be back. All right, I showed you how nicely that fits on top. And then this will clip like that. And they do give you more clips, some white clips and some yellow clips in case you want to change the color of things. And this is the cord back here. It comes with this. That'll go in there, and it's actually going to twist tightly in there. There, you have to line it up. And line it up. There we go. Put it in tightly. And then the other end has a USB port. It's a nice long cord, and you can, you know, it's like a fabric covered cord. So you can, you know, tie it up if you need to, tie it up with a twist tie if it's too long for where you need it, or you may need the length, depending on where you're putting it. And this will, they give you this cube to put that your USB port in, which is nice. Some things don't come with those. You have to supply your own. And then that plugs into the wall. And then, like I did show you before, this filter goes down here, and it fits snugly in here. And then this very nice tray. So this tray actually, let me unsnap. It's put the tray in, then put this on. That'll keep the tray from coming out. And there's a little pull tab on the tray, which is very nice. And then you can just use it just like this, which is what my boys pretty much prefer. But they also have this nice little flower. So you can put this in here, and usually you can make adjustments to it. It'll come out of the flower, and it'd be more like a waterfall. Some like it that way. They just like it sort of puddles, and I'll show you that. And this is so nice. It came with what you need to clean your filter. It came with a little spoolie kind of a brush and a little tweezer to help you, you know, clean the filter out and keep it nice and clean so that it will last you longer. So that is very nice. And next up, you will see the boys with this very nice fountain. I like it. It's nice and lightweight. It shows you here how much water you have in there, the minimum and the maximum, which is nice, so you can see at a glance if you are low. And this also says that it will turn off if it gets low. There'll be a red light that'll come on, so you'll know that it's low. And yeah, easy to put together. And what I do just for myself to help along with the filter is I use filtered water. I take water from my refrigerator filtration system to put in my fountains for the boys. So we'll be back and show you how they like it. Well, here I have it plugged in. I wanted you to see that it's a nice long cord. And then here it is. And Smudge is just coming over to see it. All right, Smudge. Let's show the fountain. See, it's nice and blue. And I'm told it will turn red when it, come on, Smudge. You want to try it? Now, see, they don't usually like this flower, but you can take that off, and then that's more to their liking. You want to try that, Smudge? Yeah. He's rubbing on my phone. You like that, Smudge? They will really like this. I wish he wouldn't, you know, he's pushing on the phone, so I'm sorry, y'all. Come on, Smudge, you want to try? Want to try the water? It is, as you can hear, it's very quiet. I'll be quiet for a moment so you can hear it. I forgot to put that on. It's nice and quiet, which is important. I have one fountain that is very, very loud, and when it, especially when it gets low with water. Come on, Smudge, you want to try it? Here, look, Lovey, look at that. Wow, it's whisper quiet, y'all. And then if you want, some pets prefer to have the flower. And then it'll, you know, see how it's streaming down. So it keeps the water fresh for them and oxygenated. Okay, Smudge, thank you. Thank you so much to APETDOLA for sending us this beautiful fountain. The boys will really enjoy it. And like I said, I enjoy how quiet it is. You like that, Blue? Yeah. Let me show you without the flower, love. Blue, come over here, Blue. You know, they're shy. See the water, love? Want to try it? Want to try it? You like it? Thank you so much to APETDOLA for sending us this wonderful fountain. The boys will really enjoy it. Thank you so much, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.